Hello students, welcome back to your English class. Today we will read chapter 11 of your English grammar peninsula. We will start chapter 11. You have already know what are describing words. Describing words describe persons, animals, birds and things. Means which word described to these persons and animals, birds and things are called describing words. We have already read about describing words in the previous chapter 10. Now we will start. Read the sentence given below. A tree is taller than a bush. Now here is comparison between tree and a bush. When there will be comparison, you will write taller. You will add tall er, taller. If you will comparison between two things, tree and bush, you will add er with the form tall. It will become taller. Exercise book is bigger than the diary, and comparison between book and diary. Book is thicker than the magazine. Here is comparison between book and magazine. So thick will become thicker. Sakshi is fatter than Priya. Rahul is older than Amit. The shirt is lighter than the trouser. Peacock is more beautiful than a pigeon. Sometimes we will add more in spite of er, because er we cannot add er with the beautiful. So we will write more beautiful. So to show comparison between two things, places, persons and animals, we use er form of the describing words. Sometimes we use more. We also use then in these sentences. Now we will do exercise. The ribbon is dash than the handkerchief. Means ribbon और handkerchief में comparison है, longer या shorter. Look at here, ribbon is longer than the hanky. So you will write here longer. Now comparison between football and cricket ball. And football is bigger or smaller. You can see here it is big. So you will write bigger. You will tick bigger. The football is bigger than the cricket ball. Now the ice is dash than tea. Ice, tea say we will comparison between their state hot and cold. So it is cold. So you will write here ice is colder than tea. In this the sun is dash than the moon. Sun is more bright, na? Sun is bright than moon, so you will tick brighter. Rocket is dash than the aeroplane. Rocket fast होता है ना, aeroplane से fast चलता है, तो you will write faster. Cloth is dash than the paper. जो cloth है वो paper से thick होता है, so you will tick here thicker. Complete the sentence with the correct form of the word given in the box. Mango is dash than the pear. मैंगो जो है वो पियर से क्या है? यू कैन चेक हियर, टॉल, स्वीट,